So I wake up this morning and my wife gives me a wonderful gift. I am flying from Camarillo Airport to Catalina in this beautiful plane. It is a Cessna, and the call sign is 575 November Delta. This should be an awesome flight, and I'm looking forward to it. Shout out to Chris over at Angle of Attack and Josh at Aviation 101. You guys have been a huge inspiration in showing people how to fly, and you guys have done this a few times, and I'm looking forward to it. All right.
Retire, information Romeo, time 0255 Zulu, wind 0803, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 13, dew point 8, altimeter 2, 9er. VOR GPS approaching you, arriving departing runway 26. All aircraft read back hold short instructions and runway assignments with your call sign. Advise on this contact information Romeo.
So just landed in Catalina. We flew Camarillo, followed the 101 over Agora, Woodland Hills, Tarzana, and then Encino, and then kind of turned towards the 405, kind of towards Getty, and then made a hard right and faced LAX. Following VOR, which was radio frequency, and so we had a direct shot right over LAX, passed over LAX, and shot over, I guess, Palos Verdes, and then made another right, and straight over the ocean, and I don't know, 22 miles over the ocean, right? Something like that? Yeah. Which was spectacular. You ditch the plane if something happens, so you want to land near some ships so they can pick you up because hypothermia was set in, but that's not going to happen. We're now on this hilltop in Catalina, and crazy runway. There's as you're landing, there's a hill, so you're kind of landing into a hill, so as we flew over, we paralleled the runway, and then did a dog right leg, and then another left turn, left turn, and then we cut in towards the middle of the runway, right? We headed towards the middle of the runway, flew over that just above, 500 feet above the runway? I don't know. it was pretty close to the runway at that point.
We're,
Coming for a landing as we made that turn.
yeah.
And then we made another left turn, so now we were parallel to the runway on the left side of it.
We were probably about 900 feet over.
900 feet over, and then turned right and landed on runway 22. So, and it was just a straight little drop. He pulled back on the throttle there. He took over, and here we are, man. We're yeah. Let's switch this over. There we go. Let's see here. Look at that plane behind me. And welcome to the airport in the sky, which is well, it's a treat. So here we go. I'm gonna get myself a burger and chill out for a little bit.